I'm definitely feeling my age today with this wig right here. I am doing a full get ready with me on how I installed this wig, plus how I beat my face today. So if you want to get into this look right here, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So I'm first going to show y'all the wig install. I'm going to leave a timeline in the description box down below, just in case you want to skip to any sections of this get ready with me video. So I want to thank LuvMe Hair for sponsoring the wig portion of today's get ready with me video. This is their loose wave blonde mid 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It is 12 inches. It already comes pre-styled like this. I did have to cut the lace on this one. The lace was not pre-cut, but if you would like your lace pre-cut, they do have that option on their website. Love this pop of blonde. It's super cute. It makes this wig give a little something extra rather than it just being its natural color. I did leave the curls kind of formed around the front, but in the back I combed it out. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. This is how it looks straight out of the box. It looks really nice. The hairline also looks really nice as well. And I forgot to mention the best part, this wig install is completely glueless, y'all. Another glueless wig install. Do you see that? That baby is nice and secure though. Like, it ain't going nowhere on my head, okay? This wig got me feeling my age for sure, and that's not a bad thing. Let me give y'all a little side profile action. This is what she's looking like on the side, and here is what she's looking like in the back. I cannot see the back, but I hope she's cute. Y'all can let me know what you think. So those are all the details on this wig. Let's go ahead and get into this install.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like, woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time, my time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, hold still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it.
Now that we finished installing this wig, it was super easy, as you could tell. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this full makeup beat. And the makeup look isn't as easy as installing the wig, but if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you should be familiar with most of my techniques. I am using a couple of new makeup products. Everything will be linked in the description box down below, so keep watching if you wanna get into this makeup look.
East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's hard to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet.
Yeah. Better when you mad me. Yeah. Love, you got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation. You be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural, without no operation. F my old bitch Tayin'. Your old fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GRWm, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him play me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it.
So here is the final look, wig and makeup complete. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed it, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Share it with all your friends. That helps me out a lot. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from LuvMe Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide your girl with. Thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I really do appreciate it. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. If you haven't already watched my last beauty favorites video, I'm gonna leave it linked right here for y'all. Be sure to click it and check it out.